My name is Bill Soroka, and I'm the author of Sign and Thrive: How to Make Six Figures as a Mobile Notary and Loan Signing Agent. The Sign and Thrive book is really designed for two people. One, of course, is somebody who's already a notary public who's looking for a system or a strategy to go to the next level. And the other is for those fellow dreamers. They've got the fire inside of them and they're just looking for a business that's real. And that's where the mobile notary and loan signing business comes in. It was that for me. I finally found this industry and career that has changed my life, and I love to share it. This book is about really my journey from how I nailed it and scaled it in this business as a mobile notary and loan signing agent. It's the exact strategies I did every single day to cultivate relationships that have led to a multiple six-figure career and more joy than I've ever experienced in my life. This business in general can be a vehicle to whatever dream you might have. I never expected, I never raised my hand when I was in third grade and said, I'm gonna be a notary public. But I did have a vision for what I wanted to create in this world, and the notary business has helped be the vehicle to make that happen. And it can do that for you. My favorite thing about being a notary is the people, hands down. The people that we meet at our signing appointments, and this particular notary community is one of the most loving and supportive communities I've ever experienced. Even though you're in business for yourself, you're not by yourself. And when you're part of this community. What it comes down to make six figures is changing your mindset. You know, everybody says they want to make six figures until it comes to doing the work that is required to make six figures. If you can get past that hump and set yourself up for success with a daily success routine, start cultivating relationships every single day, reaching out, talking to somebody about your business, and then taking it seriously. Learn to be the expert that this world is craving when it comes to notary work. If you follow the strategies to a T and you start doing these things, when you start taking care of yourself, claiming your agenda in the morning, getting clear on your vision, taking steps every single day to move yourself forward, it's inevitable. Success, however you define it, is inevitable.